Hello, good morning, my dear children, afternoon also, evening also. Today, once again I am here to discuss a poem from class 6, Honeysuckle. Before we discuss the poem, I want to draw your attention to some of the questions, general questions that we have in our everyday life. The question is about the way we see beauty, the way we see beauty. How do we see beauty? My question. First, you can talk about this tree is beautiful, this man is beautiful, this lady is beautiful, he is beautiful, she isn't beautiful. We will talk about it. So we talk about only seeing beauty. What about hearing beauty? Can we hear beauty? Number one question. Number two, what about those people who are good looking, but they aren't beautiful? Can we say that they are beautiful? For example, a kind person, a caring person, a compassionate person, a person who always wants to help other people. Can we say that he is also or she is also beautiful, even if not good looking? Second question. So, to get answers to all these questions, number one, can we hear beauty? Number two, can we also say that someone is beautiful even if not good looking? To get answer to all these questions, today I'm here to discuss a poem. And the name of the poem, as you see in the blackboard, is Beauty. This poem is from class 6, Honeysuckle. And we shall read the poem and enjoy the poem and understand the poem. Let's start, my dear children. We'll start stanza-wise. First stanza. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. Of course, we're talking about seeing the beauty. We can see beauty in the sunlight in different forms, like in the sunlight, in the trees, in the birds, corn growing and people walking, or even people dancing for their harvest. So here the poet talks about seeing beauty in different forms, like in the sunlight, in the trees, in the bird, corn growing, people walking or dancing for their harvest. Here I like to draw your attention to the word dancing for their harvest. What does it mean? It means that when people are gathering the corn, the grains, they're happy, When people are happy, they're dancing. So if we see people dancing, that's what we see beauty in them. First stanza talks about it. Second stanza, let's come down to the second stanza. Beauty is heard. Yes, my question comes here. I asked you before I begin the chapter, the poem today. Can we hear beauty? The poet is now trying to answer about hearing beauty. How can we hear beauty? Beauty is heard in the night when wind blows gently, very gently. Not a strong wind, not a strong, very strong wind. We are talking about very gentle wind in the forest, rustling sound of the leaves. When we hear these sounds, beautiful sounds, we say, wow, that is very beautiful. We hear beautiful sound. Or for example, you can talk about rain falling down. You're sleeping, for example, let's imagine that you're sleeping in your bed, lying in your bed, then suddenly the rain falls down, the drops of the sound, it attracts your mind. Yes, the sound of the rain falling down is also beautiful. We can hear it. Or, number 3, we can hear the beauty in a singer when he chants. Chanting here means singing. Number 1 word, chanting means singing. When a singer is chanting anything in earnest, earnest here means seriously, honestly, from the core of his or her heart, When a singer sings a song from the core of his or her heart, yes, we can hear the beauty. Imagine that. Everybody has experienced this moment. Let's say that, you hear a song, and after a long, long ago, what happened is, you still remember the song. It is there in your mind. You can hear it. Yes, when we heard a song a long, long time ago, that song, keep on striking in our mind. What does it mean? It means that the song was beautiful for you and you remember it after a long, long day's heard. That's why I'm saying we can hear beauty. That's why we say we can hear beauty in different forms. Now let's come to stanza number 3. This is stanza number 3, where we will be talking about how is beauty in yourself. Beauty is in yourself. How? Let's read the stanza. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Let's explain it. Beauty is in ourselves. With an example. Let's take the example of Mother Teresa. She's caring, she's compassionate, she loves to help the needy people. So people say that she is beautiful. Yes. Why she is beautiful? She is beautiful because of her good qualities, not because of her good look. That's where beauty lies, in yourself. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds. Good deeds here means, good actions, your good work, that is called good deeds. Happy thoughts means positive thoughts. You put not negative one, not evil thoughts. If you have positive thoughts, good thoughts, then your mind is happy. That repeat themselves. Those good actions, those positive thoughts that repeat themselves in your mind again and again. And if these things are there in you, then you become a beautiful person in your nature, in your behavior. That means if you have these things, you are at rest, you are at peace. That's what the last stanza talks about. Before we wind up the poem, let's do a very quick recap of the poem. Here is the summary or the recap of the poem. Stanza number 1. According to the poet, beauty is everywhere and is seen by everyone. The real beauty can be seen in the sunlight, in the trees, in the birds, and in corn growing, people walking or dancing for their harvest. The poet, remember, the poet does not agree the traditional thinking about the beauty. Then the second stanza. Now the poet is talking about how beauty cannot be seen, but it can be heard as well. When the wind blows gently, when the rain falls, when the singer sings anything with sincerity from the core of his or her heart. Stanza number 3. For the poet, beauty also lies in ourselves, in good deeds, happy thoughts, which are repeated in our dreams and in our work and even in our rest. The poet says that if we do good things, then we are happy. And if we are happy, our mind is at rest. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you indeed.